Hey guys, what's going on? It's Justin just coming to you with another video. I wanted to show you my everyday carry, my EDC. I just got it in the mail today, and I got it all loaded up and ready to go, so I'm very happy about that. Um, so this is it right here. It's was made in Rome, Italy, and I ordered it from Etsy, and the guy's name is Ivan Scano. Ivan Leather is the business name, and it's quite the kit. As you can see, it's quite the kit. Inside here, it holds the Surge, Leatherman Surge, and as you can see, it holds everything in there. I got 2 bit kits. As you can see, 2 bit kits. Then I got the saw, blade. And I got the Surge itself. Here's the Surge. And then there's the bit extender, 1/4 inch bit extender. And this is a flashlight, a mag light. As you can see, it fits perfectly. Here it is right here. It fits in there perfectly. I got everything. I got the flashlight on Amazon. And then I have fire starters, miniature fire starters. It's quite the kit. I'm really excited about it. It's pretty nice. I like it a lot. The leather is really quality. But yeah, it holds everything, the whole kit, all in one kit and caboodle. So I carry this on me. Here's the Surge. It's quite the heavy piece of tool. And it just fits. It just fits right in. It's already breaking in already. I've only had it a couple hours. The leather's already breaking in. So it's, like I said, it's Ivan Leather, I-V-A-N Leather, all one word, on Etsy. This is a much better alternative than a nylon molly sheath from Amazon or from Leatherman. This is quite the setup right here. So I carry this kit here on me. And I carry the OHT, Leatherman OHT. I carry this one on me. And then I carry the Leatherman Crunch. I carry this one on me. So, but I'm really in love with this thing right here. It's pretty heavy duty. Yeah, it carries my waterproof flat. Everything here is waterproof. So, it's quite the setup. Smells like fresh leather. I like it. Alright, well, I guess I'll conclude this video. I mean, I don't know how good you guys can see it on this GoPro. But, as you can see, it fits everything nicely. I mean, it's pretty hard, too. It's pretty heavy. I'm guessing this is almost 1.5 pounds, probably. It's probably about 1.5 pounds. So, alright, well, I'll conclude this video. I'll keep it short. And, yeah, if you guys want to get a Leatherman and you want to get a custom leather sheath, I definitely recommend Etsy and this guy named Ivan Scano. It kind of takes a while to get, 2 to 4 weeks to get, but it's worth it. Worth the wait. So, alright, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks, bye.